I'm Nigel Petrie, engineer to slide, co-owner of Earnest Workwear, part-time overall model, fabricator and crash test dummy. I guess I just loved wheels from the very beginning. I started racing motocross after riding BMX. That led to cars, and then I bought my first car when I was 15 and toiled away at the supermarket and saved up enough money to get that thing to a few motorcarnas. That led me to drifting. I really latched onto that and I loved the creativity that came with drifting. You could build a car with really no blueprint as to how it should be built, and that freedom gave me the opportunity to really put my heart and soul and vision into something and then go out onto the track and prove that it works. And I think that's what I love about fabricating and drifting especially. You can be the whole package and it doesn't rely on how much money you have to be able to compete. It was a couple of years ago when I contacted Joel to get a new set of overalls, and he said that he was winding things back a little to focus on other things, and I saw a good opportunity to stand behind the brand that I loved and ended up being a co-owner with my good friends Ben and Andre in New Zealand. And that's something that set me on a path of recreating Earnest and getting the gear back to those people who loved it. Moving into the future, I don't want to make too many changes to Earnest. I just want to continue the ethos that I guess the company was built on, and that's creating quality wear that lasts a long time. I mean, it sounds pretty simple, but when you're working in this gear every day and showering it with sparks and molten metal, it is a pretty hard task to have something that is affordable and lasts a long time. So that's really always the goal, and that's what we'll try and achieve as we move on into the future.